What if you could activate your data to all the destinations that matter from a single platform? LiveRamp's pre-built integrations and connectors make it easy to create a destination account for each partner in your media plan. Once set up, you can use it for as many segment activations as you need. Here, you can see several of your destination accounts have already been created. Campaign insights indicate TikTok is an important platform for your audience, so you've decided to add it to your media plan as well. Let's see how to add it as a destination. You can use the search bar to find the tile for the destination you want, or browse from over 500 available activation destinations tiles, including walled gardens, social media platforms, DSPs, SSPs, CTV and video, streaming audio, search, MarTech, premium publishers, gaming, and emerging AI destinations. With coverage to reach over 95% of people's digital time spent engaged, no other data activation platform comes close to the scale and reach of LiveRamp. You've searched for the TikTok tile and found it. All you have to do is click the Activate button to configure it. To configure, specify a few business-specific settings. Many destinations support the use of OAuth to simplify the authorization process, allowing users to access multiple services without having to enter separate credentials each time. It's that easy. Start reaching your audiences everywhere they spend time with LiveRamp.